Alright, hello card fans. I'm going to show you how we ship things out here at BBP when you buy a single or a couple cards, and we're going to mail it in a cardboard envelope which has a little insert here that we fold and put your cards on, and I'll show you how we do it. Now if there was one card, we would put the card there, tape it down, but because there's two cards, we're going to put these in a team pack so they don't slide around, and I'll seal it. Alright, and then we put the cards there, and then we're going to rip off 4 pieces of blue painter's tape. It doesn't matter the color, but it's got to be painter's tape. No scotch tape, no duct tape. This leaves the least amount of residue on the cards. It doesn't peel anything off, so please use this kind of tape. Alright, I taped the team pack down. It doesn't need to be super pretty. I'm not in an art contest here. It just needs to get the job done. So I made sure this is not moving around inside there. And then I fold this down, put it in the envelope, make sure it's all in there. I put a nice little thank you note with a link to our Twitter, and I'll seal that up. And you can see it's thin, yet it's strong. It's better than a normal envelope. I will put a link to where I got this on Amazon in the description of this video. Alright, and that's how we package 1 to maybe 3 or 4 cards. You know, the key is the cardboard insert, the team pack, and blue tape. This is your friend. Doesn't have to be this thick. You could get thinner one. I just happen to get by the thick one.